Did you know that playtime is one of the most important things you can do for your cat? It's not just about entertainment, it's essential for their overall health and happiness. Think about it. Cats are natural hunters. In the wild, they'd spend their days stalking, chasing, and pouncing. When we bring them into our homes, they still have that same instinct, but they don't always get the opportunity to use it. That's where play comes in. Playing helps your cat stay physically active, which is especially important if they're an indoor cat. It keeps them from gaining too much weight, strengthens their muscles, and helps prevent health issues like obesity or joint problems. But it's not just their body that benefits. Playtime is great for their mind, too. It gives them a chance to problem solve, stay curious, and avoid boredom. A bored cat is more likely to act out with behaviors like scratching furniture or being overly vocal. And let's not forget about the bond it builds between you and your furry friend. Cats might have a reputation for being independent, but they love connecting with their humans in their own unique ways. When you take the time to engage in their favorite games, it shows them they're loved and cared for. So whether it's 5 minutes chasing a feather wand, a laser pointer, or just tossing a crumpled up paper ball, every little bit counts. Playtime isn't just fun, it's one of the best ways to keep your cat happy, healthy, and thriving.